I wouldn't want to belabor. I believe that it's a matter.
Please address the chair.
Mr. Speaker, let me take this opportunity to thank my respected colleague, a former leader of this House, now a Rhodes Minister, for attending upon this very question. I pray that he is able to do more, and also in the discharge of his duties at the ministry, get a lot more of our roads constructed. We know the challenges. I hope that in doing so, he will be fair and look broadly at the challenges at the ministry and not be parochial or act discriminatory. I have no doubt that he will do the right thing. Mr. Speaker, on that note, I would want to again thank him for making himself available.
Thank you. Yes, Honorable Minister, on my own behalf, and very well, if you want to say something, you are permitted to do so.
Yeah, I want to thank the respected leader. I'm only building upon where my predecessors left off, and I can guarantee you there will be no discrimination. Let me make you happy. We are just about to start work on the Winneba Junction, Winneba Runabout, and do it all the way to the university, and a lot of work around Winneba, just to signal that there's continuity in development. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, this is a happy news. And Mr. Speaker, this is a happy news that I want my constituents to hear this good news coming from the Honorable Minister, that from the runabout all the way into main town, Winneba, is scheduled to be worked on. Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Minority Leader, file another urgent question. That will be a constituency specific question. Yes, Majority Chief Whip.
Speaker, thank you for the opportunity. Mr. Speaker, let me confirm from the Honorable Minister whether or not it is the operationalization of the law that has been suspended and not an attempt to set aside the law as passed by Parliament. Whether or not that's the case.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Indeed, a minister has no such powers to suspend a law passed by Parliament. Indeed, it is the operationalization that became problematic, leading to the advice to further engage to make sure that the labor front at the ministry is peaceful. So as of now, that law hasn't changed. If there will be any further decision on that particular act, I will come to the House and make that known to the House.
Yes, Honorable. Honorable, I rule that we will limit supplementary questions to one each. So I intend giving the floor to Honorable Asensubuachi, with all due respect. Please, with all due respect. Yes, Honorable Asensubuachi.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity. Mr. Speaker, the Honorable Minister did mention that the issues raised by one of the agencies is so fundamental to the Act. That is why he came to the conclusion that he has to defer the matter to the Attorney General's Department. I just want to find out from the Minister, what are those issues?
Well, Honorable,
I think the House,
we've all listened to what he said. He said that the implementation of the law generated a lot of concern, labor issues, and it ended up at the Labor Commission. So it was the Labor Commission that directed that pending the resolution of the matter, they should step the law down, based on which he has forwarded it to the Attorney General's Department for advice.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'm sure you are aware that I'm very much familiar with the issues because I was the minister in charge.
So
at that
if
time.
you have
but he
a
said
question to
something-
ask.
He said, no, that's what I'm asking. Mr. Speaker.
Yes. I know.
Yeah,
Yes,
he's
I know.
saying
But
that-
what I'm doing is that I've also listened to the answers. Therefore, if you are quoting the minister's answer, you need to quote the minister's answer right. So if you are putting words in the mouth of the minister, definitely I'll pick it up with you.
In response to the minority leader, he said that he came to that conclusion of referring the matter to the AG's office because the issues involved, as raised by one of the agencies, are so fundamental to the law. And I think it will not be out of place for him to share those issues with the House. Thank you.
Sir, I'll give you the opportunity.
Mr. Speaker, one of the Ghana Highway Authority particularly raised fundamental issues on a number of clauses in the Act. I'm unable to start mentioning the clauses and what the concerns there are that they've raised. I believe all that have been filed as evidence to the Attorney General's office, and I am very confident that after a review of those, the Attorney General will be seized with enough fact to advise on the way forward. So I cannot begin to share some of them because it will be half work done. What about the ones I'm unable to share? So I'm unable to start attempting to share some of the details of their consent. But all those details have been filed to the Attorney General's office for advice.
Yes, Honorable Nitiwood.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, apart from the Ghana Highway Authority, as you mentioned, which other agencies raised labor issues or were involved in the decision to refer the Act to the Attorney General about the suspension? Which are the other agencies?
Minister, you have the floor.
Mr. Speaker, significantly, the concerns are largely from Ghana Highway Authority. Indeed, we have the Ghana Highway Authority, the urban roads and feeder roads, and to an extent, road fund, which is insignificant in terms of the size of their operations. So I can confirm that much of the concern is from Ghana Highway Authority. Yes, and Ghana Highway Authority is the most significant in terms of numbers and operation in the three units under the ministry.
Yes, Honorable.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the issue that is being raised right now, and I'm a member and deputy ranking for the Roads and Transport Committee, and this matter has come up a few times. Mr. Speaker, I want to find out from the minister why he thinks that a matter from the Labour Commission can injunct or hold the ministry from operationalizing the law. What was the basis for that conclusion?
Well, the minister is not the lawyer. That is why he is seeking advice from the AG's department.
Mr. Speaker, but something would have prompted him, put him on the inquiry, to assume that the Labour Commission can stop the law from operating.
We have listened to the minister. There was a direction from the Labour Commission following a threatened labor unrest. So when the directives came, in order not to arrogate the power of a lawyer, he has forwarded the issue to Attorney General's department for advice. If we were to be having the legal reasoning, if we were to be having the legal reasoning, Honorable Member, he wouldn't have sent it to the Attorney General. So, with all due respect, the question is overruled.
Mr. Speaker, I'm sure the minister is capable because he has said something close to, the answer that we want from him before.
It is not whether or not the minister is capable or not that guide the admissibility of a question.
I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yeah. Majority Chief Whip. About the rest of the urgent questions.
Yes, Speaker. We are done for roads. We are done for roads.
Very well. So what is the application? Once the road minister is seated, we'll move to the other questions.
That is for urgent questions.
Very well. Foreign members, for urgent questions directed at the Minister for Roads and Highways. We have exhausted it. However, we have a lot of questions for him to respond to. So let's move to question number 66. Standing in the name of Honorable Michael Kwesi Edu, Member of Parliament for Ofori-Klum. You have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I want to ask the Honorable Minister for Roads and Highways when the following roads in the Ofori-Klum constituency will be completed. 1, the Pencil Factory Road from Odium to Asokore Mampong. The Bebre Road, the Duako Chumduasi Teachers Quarters Road, the Kote Corvette Road, and the Mesuem Road. Thank you very much.
Yes, Honorable Minister, you have the floor.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Background. The Ofori-Klum Municipality Assembly is in the Ashanti region and has Ofori-Klum as its capital. Current program, Pencil Factory Road. The Pencil Factory Road is a 3.5-kilometer road and is being executed by the Department of Urban Roads under the contract title Design and Construction of Swami Interchange Local Roads Component. The project commenced on the 10th of February 2023 for completion by 9th February 2025, which has since elapsed. A request for an extension of time is under review. Drainage structures and surfacing of the Pencil Factory Road have been completed. Works are at 85% physical completion. The contractor is currently mobilizing to carry out safety and traffic management works on the road. Bebre, the Duako Chum Duase Teachers Quarters. There is no program for the above roads. Kote Corvette. Upgrading to bituminous surfacing of Kote Sewa, Kote Corvette Road, 9.12 kilometers. Background. Kote is a town in the Ofori-Klum municipality in the Ashanti region. It is a 10-kilometer road from the center of Kumasi. Current program. The Kote Sewa Feeder Road has been awarded under the contract title Upgrading to Bituminous Surfacing of Kote Sewa Feeder Road and Critical Accesses. The contract was awarded on the 2nd of October 2024 for duration of 18 months. Works are yet to commence. Msuem, the Department of Urban Road awarded the contract titled Drainage Works along Mesiwam Road, 2.6 kilometers, lot 23. The contract commenced on the 27th of September 2024 for completion by 26 March 2025, which has since elapsed. The contractor has abandoned site. The Department of Urban Road is engaging the contractor to return to site to complete all the outstanding works. The physical progress of the works is 52%.
Yes, Honourable Member.
Yes,
Supplementary question.
Honourable Minister, if you may help me with the reason that the contractor has abandoned the Imesuem Road, and also who the contractor is, and then with the Kote Corvette Road, I also want to know when the contractor will be starting work and who is actually on the road, which contractor the road was awarded to. Thank you very much.
Yes, Honourable Minister, very convoluted question.
Mr. Speaker, the Bebre project, the contractor is Measures MJB Company Limited. The Kote Culvert, the contractor is also Measures MJB Company Limited. Mr. Speaker, why are the contractors not on site? I am not aware of why they are not on site since the project was awarded at the tail end of 2024. It means they've not done so much work, maybe just about a year or less. In fact, less than a year, more or less. So I'm unaware of the exact reasons the contractors are not on site. But we keep encouraging contractors to continue to work. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honourable Member. Very well. Honourable Member, this is a constituency-specific question. We move to question number 67, standing in the name of Honourable Laurette Koko Asante, Member of Parliament for Etiwa West.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'd like to ask the Minister for Roads and Highways when the road in the Etiwa West constituency will resume and be completed. Is there Koso Tumfa Ekropong Road and the Akakum Amonum and Krakai Road? Thank you.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Ekroso Tumfa Akropong Feeder Road is a 14.6 kilometer long road. It is located in the Etiwa West municipality of the Eastern Region. It is an engineered, perma-sealed road in poor condition. Current program. The road project is titled Upgrading to Bituminous Surfacing of Ekroso Tumfa Akropong Feeder Road, 14.6 kilometers. Works commenced on the 2nd of October 2020 for completion by the 1st of October 2021. The progress of work is estimated at 70% physical completion. The contractor has abandoned the site. The contract has since been terminated. Future program. Engineering design studies will be carried out by the end of the third quarter of 2025 for consideration. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Any supplementary?
Yes, Mr. Speaker. The Akosu Tumfa Kropon Road is a critical artery in the area, and my people are really suffering. The contractor did the first phase and was supposed to come back to complete it and did not. So the place is really, there are potholes and it's getting to where it's unmotorable. So my question is, can the minister authorize at least a reshaping in the interim since the contract has been terminated with the current contractor? First of all, who is the contractor? Who was the contractor? And can you authorize a reshaping in the interim so that the constituents can at least use that road? Thank you.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, I sympathize with my colleague about the nature of road in her constituency. She asked for a remedial intervention. We shall take this on board to see whatever we can do in the interval to at least make it motorable whilst we carry out the engineering studies to find out the best solution going forward. According to my records, the contractor is Measures First Kai Limited.
Any more supplementary?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you to the Roads Minister for indicating that at least they would do something remedial. May I ask how soon will that be? Thank you, Minister.
Mr. Speaker, how soon?
Mr. Speaker, we're just about rolling out the routine maintenance works across the country. So we will do as much as the fiscal space allows us in terms of what we can finance. But I take particular attention to your request. I will do our best to see. I'm unable to give you timeline since we are now in the process of doing that. But as soon as we start, I would pay attention to that as well. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
We'll now move to question number 68. Standing in the name of Mr. Rudolph Amoko Jamra, Upper Denchira West.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, let me correct the name. The name is Rudolph Amoko Jampa, not Jamra, Jampa. Mr. Speaker, I rise to ask the Minister for Roads and Highways the plans of the ministry to complete the following roads projects which was started by the previous government: Ayamfre Dunkwao Road and Subin Nipanikro Nyunons Road. Thank you.
Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Ayamfuri Dunkwa Road. The Dunkwa Ayamfuri Road is classified as Interregional Road IR8 in the Central Region. It connects Upper Denchira East Municipal Capital Dunkwa to Diaso, the capital of the Upper Denchira West District, through Ayamfuri. This road plays a crucial role in connecting the Ashanti, Central, and Western regions. Current program. The road has been awarded under the contract title Partial Reconstruction of Dunkwa Ayamfuri Road, 8 kilometers. The project was awarded on the 5th of October 2023 for duration of 24 calendar months. The contractor commenced work on the 26th of February 2024 for completion by 25th of February 2026. The project is currently at 39.8% physical completion. The contractor is currently not on site and has indicated suspension of works in a letter dated 18th of November 2024 due to delay in payment for works done. The Ghana Highway Authority is in discussion with the contractor to complete outstanding works.
Honourable Member, any follow-up? Honourable Minister, put your microphone off.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I thank the Minister for giving us the update. Like the Minister rightfully said, the contractor has left site due to delay in payment. I want to ask the Minister if the contractor has submitted some certificates that are not being paid. And if so, I'll ask the Minister, when are they going to talk to the contractor to come back to site? And again, to the Nipanikro Subin Road. The Minister didn't say anything about the Nipanikro Subin Road. Thank you.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Yes, Mr. Speaker. The first part of his question, the Ghana Highway Authority is already in talks with the contractor to return to site. It has already been indicated that the contractor left site because of lack of payment. Mr. Speaker, indeed, I stood exactly at this dispatch box and indicated Government of Ghana owes contractors today in excess of 22 billion Ghana cedis. It is part of the reasons some contractors are not on site. Government is working seriously to retire those claims on works done. The second part of his question is the one I'm coming to address now, which is Subin, that is Subin, right? Yeah, Subin to Nipa Nikro Road. The Nipa Nikro Road, right? Okay. Mr. Speaker, the Subin Nipa Nikro is captured on the Department of Federal Roads database as Asaman Nipa Nikro Ni Nawusu Federal Road, 14 kilometers. It is an engineered road in fair surface condition and is located in the Upper Denchira West District of the Central Region. Current program. There are 3 different roads, and this is the program. The 3 above contracts were awarded on the 2nd of February 2023 and commenced on the 14th of April 2023 for completion by 13th of April 2024. The project is behind schedule due to delay in payment for works done. The progress of work for the Phase 1 contract is 76%, the Phase 2 is 81%, and Phase 3 is 85%. The contractor executing all the 3 contracts is on site and the work is progressing. The major challenge encountered is the activity of illegal mining along the section of the road which necessitated the provision of additional culverts and earthworks to address the waterlogged condition created from the disruption of flow on water bodies around. Mr. Speaker, I went there myself and I had a discussion with my colleague. The brazen nature by which some of our compatriots are carrying out illegal mining. If you were to go there, you can see that even not far from the police station, people are basically at an arm's length carrying out galamsey and doing the washing, and the water there is bringing the mud to fill up the road. So whilst the original scope did not envisage the creation of new culverts because of the illegal activities of miners, now we need to revise the scope and create a new culvert. But Mr. Speaker, we don't build culverts to carry mud. So even if we build the culverts and we don't cease the illegal mining, all that we'll see is the mud will come and choke the culvert and we'll be back to the same point. So I want to encourage my colleague and the community and as a whole country that the damage caused to us by illegal mining is extending to areas that we didn't know in the past. Now it's affecting road construction and increasing the cost of road construction. The damage to our water bodies is another matter that other ministers will handle. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Honorable Minister, thank you. I know that the mining activity is also something worrying contractors on that road. And with the chiefs and elders around the area, we've spoken to those doing the mining activities along the road. But then I spoke to the contractor recently, and he said that
Honorable Member, what is your supplementary question?
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, my supplementary question is the contractor said he has raised certificates and they've not paid him. So he's even prepared to go back, pack all his things and go back. And Mr. Speaker, if Minister can, please talk to the contractor and arrange some payment for him to go back to site and speed up the work for us. I think it's going to help. And these miners will not go there and disrupt the project. Thank you.
Honorable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, yes, my colleague is right. If you look at the physical completion, I must say this contractor has done, on average, about 70% of the work, which is commendable. Indeed, as I said, these are some of the projects we should be able to complete and preserve the investment we have made. So we are going to do that. But Mr. Speaker, I don't shy away from being truthful about this matter of indebtedness to contractors. It is not easy to raise 22 billion and pay contractors within the shortest possible time. But the budget we approved in this House suggests that we may be paying part of the indebtedness this year, and we are working towards that. And I want to thank him for, I know he's done some advocacy in the constituency to advise our compatriots engaged in illegal mining, whose activities is partly responsible for the damage to a section of the road, to change their hearts so that we can preserve the investment that has been done. And I want to commend him for that intervention between him and his chiefs on this particular issue. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honourable Member, are you done?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Honourable Members, before proceeding to the other question, permit me to acknowledge the presence of students from Ejumako Catholic School. Their leader is Mariam Saki, a teacher, and they are from Ejumako Enyang constituency. They numbered 120. You are welcome. May you have a fruitful stay. Honourable Members, let's move to question number 69. Standing in the name of before. Yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Speaker.
Yes, you have the floor.
Speaker, before I proceed, I would take your leave to do a few corrections in question number 69. Speaker, the name of Abofor has been wrongly spelled. It's Abofor, A-B-O, not A-B-A. So A-B-O-F-O-U-R. And then the next one is Namon and not Namai. The correct spelling is N-A-A-M-O-N-G, Namon. Speaker, I rise to ask the Minister for Roads and Highways the status of the following roads in the Offenso South constituency. Abofor Town Roads, Namon Town Roads, Abofor to Chebi, and then Kokote Bonsua Wawasi Road. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Offenso municipality is located in Ashanti region and has Offenso as its capital. Current program, about 4 town roads. The about 4 town roads have been earmarked for rehabilitation by Department of Urban Roads under the contract titled Rehabilitation of Abofor and Nyankasu Area Road, 7 kilometers. The project commenced on the 20th of May 2020 for completion on the 19th of May 2022, which has later been extended to 16th of December 2024. The contractor is yet to commence works on the above 4 towns roads. The project is at 30% physical completion. However, the contractor is not on site. Efforts are being made to get the contractor back to site to complete the outstanding works. Namong Town Road, Abofor Chebi Road, and then Kokote Bonsua Wawase Road. There is no program for the above roads. The Department of Federal Roads will conduct engineering studies on the Namong Town Road, Abofor Chebi Road, and then Kokote Bonsua Wawaso Road, and submit a report with cost estimate by end of the 3rd quarter of 2025 for consideration. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Any supplementary question?
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, first of all, let me thank the Minister for the response. But Speaker, I'm sad to hear that there is no program on the Namon, Abofo Chebi, and Kokotibo Nsuya Wawasi roads. Speaker, I want to plead with the minister to take a trip to the Offenso South constituency and see the nature of roads in the constituency.
Honourable Member, is that your question?
It's a plea. It's a plea.
You are to ask a supplementary
Speaker,
question.
Supplementary
so
question
if you do not have a
know,
supplementary question, you can thereafter approach the minister.
Speaker, it's a plea through you.
You can approach the minister thereafter, but over here by the rules, you are to ask supplementary question, but not to make a plea.
Well noted, Mr. Speaker. Speaker, I want to find out from the minister the names of the various contractors.
Minister, the names of the contractors.
Mr. Speaker, the rehabilitation of Abofo and Anyankasu area roads, the contractor is NATO Complex Limited, and then rehabilitation of Abofo Nyankasu area road, kilometer 7 and beyond. The Namang Town Road is, the contractor is Measures JB and Company Limited. I think that's it. So there are two contractors, Measures JB Company Limited and NATO spelled as KNATTO Complex Limited is the contractor for the first one. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Any further question?
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Osahi.
Mr. Speaker, I was earlier drawing your attention to what the Majority Chief Whip did regarding varying the proceedings to allow the Minister of Roads to continue. Though in principle, I had nothing against it, in spite of his refusal to consult us on what the party wanted to go. But it's obvious to me that the two ministers who are scheduled to answer questions today, Minister for Government Communications and the Foreign Minister, are still not here in this chamber. Colleagues, the Honorable Jinapo has been in the chamber. The other colleagues whose questions are scheduled are still here. And there is also a question for Government Communications. And in particular, that question for Minister responsible for Government Communications has been pending for over 3 months. We had it before we went on recess. And because of the budget, we were told that they would defer. And it's still pending. So I'm just using this opportunity to draw his attention to get them into the chamber to answer these questions. We can't continue to defer and all.
Honorable Minority Leader, well, if you get there, we'll cross the bridge. I have perused some letters. So once the road minister,
Mr. Speaker, then I would suggest to you.
Yes.
That if you have perused some letters,
yes,
let's deal with them so that members may attend to some other.
Honorable Member, we are all members of Parliament.
Very well.
So if we are to deal with the matter so that members will go and be attending to other matters.
Mr. Speaker, I in particular am doing some interviews.
Yes, we know. That is why we granted you. So once the permission has been granted, let us not argue over it. Let's give the opportunity to the road minister, so that when the questions directed at the road minister is exhausted, then we'll come to others. Then once we are there, whatever issue, we can address it at that level. So we'll proceed to question number 70. Standing in the name of Frederick Yao Ahinkwa. German North. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. arise to ask the Minister for Road and Highways on the state of the Brekum Sampa Road that was awarded to Rango Company Limited on 2nd April 2024 for construction.
Yes, Honourable Minister, you have the floor.
Mr. Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity. The Brekum Sampa Jinijini Road, designated as Interregional Road IR9, is a 119-kilometer trunk road in the Bono region. It traverses key districts including Brekum East Municipality, Brekum West District, Doma East District, German South Municipality, and German North District. This road plays a crucial role in connecting the Bono region to the Ahafo region and serves as a strategic trade route linking Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire through the Sampa border. Current program. The section from Brekum to Sampa, 80 kilometers of the road, has been awarded for reconstruction under the contract titled Reconstruction of Jinijidi Sampa Road, 80 kilometers R9. The project was awarded on the 11th of December 2024 for the duration of 48 calendar months. The contractor is scheduled to commence work soon, and the contractor within the period of mobilization to site. Mr. Speaker, the fact is that this project does not yet have commencement certificate. That is partly the reason the contractor did not start. I'm told. So, as said, we'll be working to get it done.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Any supplementary question?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm most grateful to the Honourable Minister for the light he has thrown on the condition of the road. But I would like to plead with him to talk to the contractor, at least to speed up the mobilization process so that work can commence.
That one, I will plead with you to lobby the contractor.
The road is in a very deplorable state.
Honourable Member,
very
Honourable Member,
state. Thank you.
You are to go and lobby the contractor. Here, you ask question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, but Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, just for clarity, as I said, this was duly awarded but did not have commencement certificate. By the law that we passed in this House, no entity is allowed to commence or commit government to expenditure without commencement certificate from the Ministry of Finance. So, whilst the project was indeed awarded in 2024, the contractor did not start work because they are aware that there was no commencement certificate. We are currently trying to cover this under the President's infrastructure plan, under the big push, because indeed it was awarded and there was no work done. So in effect, as far as I'm concerned, there is no contract on that project because the contractor never accepted and actually commenced work. Thank you.
Question number 71, standing in the name of Honourable Peter Lanchini Tobu, Member of Parliament for Waha West. You have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I rise to ask the Minister for Roads and Highways when the road between Wenchi and Wa will be given a facelift from its current deplorable state. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, once again, thank you. And I thank my colleague for the question. Indeed, that is why I took time and went to all the 16 regions to see all these projects for myself. And I can say that it is in a very terrible state, just like many other roads. This is the background, Mr. Speaker. The Wenchi-Wa section forms part of the National Route 12, which spans from Elubo to Hamile. The N12 traverses several important regional capitals, towns, municipalities, and districts such as Goso, Sunyani, Wenchi, Bamboe, Sola, and Wa. This road plays a crucial role in connecting the southern part of the country to the northern part and the neighboring countries of country of Burkina Faso. It is important in facilitating trade and improving the economic benefit between the two countries. Current program. The execution of this work has been captured under the government flagship National Infrastructure Development Program, the Big Push. Mr. Speaker, I carried out another review of those projects this morning, and I can say that we are on course to shortly award these projects. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Peter Lanchini Tobu, any supplementary question?
Yes, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as I speak to you, if care is not taken in the next 1 month, VIP will stop plying the Wa road. Already, STC has stopped, and they are going through Fufolso to Techiman, lengthening the distance and resulting in higher cost. I want to ask the minister, I know his passion for that road. When do we expect to see contractor on the Wa Hamele Wenchi road? When do we expect to see contractor on it?
Honorable Minister, when is contractor expected?
Mr. Speaker, indeed, a section of this has been awarded under contract, and once again, the contractors are not yet on site. That is why we have decided to capture the entire length, at least up to Wa, under the first phase of the Big Push. I also acknowledge the concern he raised about the Via Bridge, which indeed, on a number of occasions when the rainfall pattern yields so much rain, it overtops the bridge and creates a lot of problems. We are monitoring the situation. We hope that by the end of this month, some of these projects will be on site, and whoever the contractor is will be made to be responsible for to carry out any works to protect the bridge until the completion. It will take some time to actually replace the bridge. It is not a small bridge, so it takes months, if not at least up to 8 months, to be able to completely replace what we have on that section. So I will be working with you to make sure that we save the situation. Hopefully the rain doesn't come in the way too much. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honourable Member.
I want to thank the Honourable Minister for the answers as we keep hope alive. Thank you.
We now take question number 72, standing in the name of Dixon Chiredwia, Member of Parliament for Brekum East. You have the floor.
Thank you very much, Honourable Speaker. I'm a Member of Parliament for Brekum West, not Brekum East.
Well, the order paper said Brekum East.
Very
well. Note the table of his take note.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to ask the Honourable Minister for Roads and Highways the actions being taken by the ministry since 2017 to restore the following roads in Brekum West constituency, namely Adom Ebisasi Road, Nsapo Ebi Junction Road, and Ebi Junction Ebi Road. Thank you.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The above-mentioned roads are located in the Brekum East municipality of the Bono region. The roads are in poor condition. Current program. The 3 roads have been awarded under a contract titled Upgrading of Sika Mentwa, Adom Junction to Abi Junction, Nsapo Feeder Road, 11.65 kilometers. The contract commenced on the 25th of January 2021 for completion by 24th January 2022. The project is at 51.61% physical completion. The contractor is currently not on site due to delay in payment for works done. Warning letters were issued to the contractor to return to site and complete the outstanding works. A request for termination dated 4th March 2024 has been issued pending approval. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. Honourable Member, any supplementary?
Yes, thank you very much, Honourable Speaker. May I clarify once again that these roads are in Brikum West, not Brikum East. In Minister's response, he said Brikum East. That's why I want to clarify. And may I follow up with the Minister to find out that, judging from the fact that these roads were supposed to have been completed in 2022, and they are over 3 years late, is he considering pressing to terminate these contracts and bring on board contractors who are capable to complete the work as soon as possible for the good people of Brikum West? Thank you.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Yes, Mr. Speaker. Contracts are managed within the terms of the contract. That is why I said that the contractor has been issued the required number of warning letters, and we are in the process of terminating the contract if the contractor does not return to site and work. Indeed, if it's terminated, we will have to put it together and get a contractor who is more capable to complete the work. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honourable Member.
There is nothing more except to thank the Honourable Minister for the comprehensive response provided. Thank you.
Thank you too. We now move to question number 73, standing in the name of Honourable Alassane Suleimana, Member of Parliament for Yoyo.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to ask the Minister for Roads and Highways the plans of the ministry to improve the deplorable road network in Unyo constituency, and what specific interventions could be expected in the short, medium, and long term. Thank you.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Unyo constituency road network totaling 280.48 kilometers falls within the Unyo, the district, the capital of Unyo, Nasuan district of the northeast region. They are gravel roads in poor condition. The road network comprises 130 kilometers of engineered road and then 149 kilometers of unengineered road. The network has received some level of maintenance under the DFR's annual routine maintenance program over the years. Current program, 26.5 kilometers of the network has been awarded under the project title Upgrading to Bituminous Surfacing of Unyo Town Roads, 5 kilometers, and Spot Improvement of Najong number 1 to Namungo Feeder Road, 21.5 kilometers. Upgrading to bituminous surfacing of Unyo Town Roads, 5 kilometers. The contract commenced on the 6th of January 2025 for completion on the 6th of July 2026. The progress of work is estimated at 25% physical completion. The contractor is currently on site and works are ongoing. Spot improvement of Najong number 2 to Namango Feeder Road. The contract commenced on the 4th of April 2022 for completion on the 3rd of February 2023. The progress of works is estimated at 70.4% physical completion. The contractor is still currently not on site due to delay in payment of works done. Warning letters have been issued to the contractor. Future program, engineering design studies will be carried out on the other links in the network by the end of the 3rd quarter of 2025 to assess the appropriate long-term intervention for consideration. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honourable Member, any supplementary?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Honourable Minister for Roads and Highways, you realize that I am not specific to mention any name of the roads, because the entire constituency, all the roads are bad. And as we speak, the means of transportation we use now is only bicycle.
What is your question?
You cannot use a car.
Honorable member, what is your question?
And my question is to get some assurance from the Minister of Roads so that
Honorable
the good people
Minister,
of Unyo
assurance.
would be sure that
Honorable
something
Minister,
will be done urgently.
Honorable Minister, assurance.
Mr. Speaker, indeed, my colleagues, I've gone around the country a bit. The road network in my colleague's constituency is very, very disheartening, as a matter of fact. But I can assure you that you and I, working together under the authority of President Mahama, will change that story. You shall see some of these roads worked on in the term that you are in this house. So I can assure you that one of the roads, we have started working on one of them that goes through your constituency. So very soon you will see works being carried out on some of the roads in your constituency. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Member.
Thank you, Minister. I'm grateful, and I know you work. Thank you.
We then move to question number 74, standing in the name of Damata Ama Apianima Salam, Efija Kwabre, South.
Mr. Speaker, may I kindly request you to read the question on behalf of the Honorable Ahmad Damata.
Honorable member, I think you need to operate within the meaning of Standing Order 88.3.
Yes.
So do the needful.
Okay, Mr. Speaker, referencing Order 88.3, may I kindly request you to give me the permission to read the question on behalf of the Honorable Damata?
Well, I am not to give you permission except you have the authority of the Honorable member to ask the question. That is why I am guiding you that look at Standing Order 88.3.
Okay. So now, I have the order from her to read the question on behalf of the Honorable.
Honorable member, the word used is you have the person's authority. If you have his authority.
Yes, please.
Yes. So that is what I was expecting you to do.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Please proceed to ask the question.
Okay, thank you. To ask the Minister for Roads and Highways when the following road construction will commence. 1. Afranto Himan Road. 2. Himan Sasa Road. 3. Sasa Boahun Road. 4. Afrancho Bible School, Kokoano Roads, and then Chirayasu Roads. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, thank you for the opportunity. The Efija Kwabre South District is located within the Ashanti region and has Kodie as its district capital. Current program: Afrancho Hemang Road, Hemang Sasa Road. Afrancho Hemang and Hemang Sasa are roads the Department of Urban Road is executing under the contract rehabilitation of selected roads in Kwabre East Municipality and Efija Kwabre South District, 42 kilometers. These two roads estimated to be 7.1 kilometers form part of the 42 kilometers of selected roads in Kwabre East Municipality and Efija Kwabre South District estimated earmarked for rehabilitation. The project commenced on the 1st of March 2023 for completion by 28th of February 2025, which was later revised to 27th of February 2027. The contractor is on site and works are at 70% physical completion. The contractor is mobilizing to commence works on the Afrancho Herman Sasa Road. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, honorable member. Any supplementary question?
Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. I don't have any supplementary question, only to thank the minister on behalf of my colleague who is absent from the chamber. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Honorable members, that brings us to the end of questions slated for the minister responsible for roads and highways. Honorable Minister, on behalf of the House and on my own behalf, we sincerely want to thank you for always attending upon the House and responding to questions posed by members. Once again, thank you very much. You are hereby discharged. Yes, Honorable Majority Chief Whip.
Speaker, we have under urgent questions, that's item number 7. We have one outstanding one in the name of the Honorable Osahini, but that was has been taken.